In this video, I am fixing some side covers for a motorcycle, a Yamaha XT500. In the last video, I found that there was this crack in one of the side covers that I need to fix with glue. And the glue didn't hold the first time. So I have to figure out what to do next. If you want to watch me fix this side cover, then stay tuned because I'm going step by step in the process, and in the end I show you how it looks and the labels that I was able to put on it. I hope you enjoy watching, and thanks for tuning in. And then I need the tape. Hopefully this will work. It's the strongest. You see, it didn't work earlier. I got it all over me. My friend had some sandpaper I was able to get from him. Well, I thought that would make it shinier, but it didn't. It's definitely smoother. I'd say it's smoother, but it didn't take the streaks out of it. I'm gonna try. Well, I do have 1500. A little piece of the 1500. See if that helps. If this doesn't work, then I'll just have to be happy with it the way it is. And that's okay, because it looks actually really good. I was hoping to go full glossy on it. Maybe I'm not supposed to get it wet at the end. You think this will work? I think I gotta spray it on the towel because it's just kind of making it very slippery. Well, if this keeps the shine on, that'll help at least make it look like it's shinier than it really is. Well, it is better. It's definitely smooth. It feels like very smooth plastic. Now I'm cutting out the vinyl. Never used this before. Not sure I'm doing it right. It says, you can see it in there, XT500. So hopefully it looks good. I'm not sure what part comes off and what part stays on. Maybe I can do it the way I want. Okay, so in the shadow you can kind of see the labels. Let's see what happens. It looks cool. It's not exactly what well, I'm not sure what comes out and what stays in. Wonder if I should color some of this with a pen. So this is taking an extra long time because of the way these come out. I haven't figured out how to do it, except that it comes out as individual pieces. So I just have to hope that I do it straight. This is going to be pretty challenging. I'll just take it one step at a time here. Difficult to get the numbers off. Just the slightest wrong move in your toast. I don't know, hopefully this looks decent. What do? Take the middle out? I think so. Let's see, I'll put this on here in case I need it. Final pull. Looks pretty decent. Well, it's probably a little wonky, but it's on there. Okay, so let's continue with this now that it's mostly dry. What do I want? I want wet or dry 1500. Try some wet mode here. Let's see if we get this a little cleaner. How it looks. Still pretty rough, but not so bad. Let's see how we can do here. Glue seems to be holding for now, so that's good. Well, it's smooth. It's not absolutely perfect, but it's pretty good. Make it look the same everywhere. Working on this one now. Got my tape line up here. It should go something like that. Maybe a little closer to the back. Yeah. Okay. So since I only did the inner one, let's just do the inner one. This seems like there would be a much easier way to get this off of here. Come on. Hard to see and do at the same time. Okay, one down. Come on, just the one part that I want, not all of it. No one's gonna know. Down just barely enough to keep it on there, and then, yeah, it was about to. Looks pretty straight. Okay. Not exactly sure how. If I just cut this out. And then just rip this off of here. Will that work? Come on. I got one number on, and I'm going to continue on without video until I'm done. I know it looks crooked, but it's really challenging for me. Hopefully it'll look good enough that I'll be happy. Okay. reveal. This is how they look after several coats of paint. The paint would look a lot better, except that the nozzle didn't come when I come with the paint can. I wasn't paying attention, so I grabbed a different cover or a nozzle, and it was kind of splotchy. But I'm just gonna say it's textured, patina texture. I think it looks pretty good for what it is, and it'll probably get scratched in the first hour, so I'll have to enjoy how nice it looks right now. And to put this on, I have the little lock and stuff coming in the mail. So there's how it looks on there. It looks pretty good. Who would have known I made it myself? I do. I know it. I made it.